It is very fundamental that we have this discussion about GDP, and it's very important that the United Nations Development Group is taking this position that we cannot measure the economic and social prosperity of a country by just looking at GDP. Already in 1968, a very prominent politician at that time, Senator Robert Kennedy, said that you look at the GDP, it doesn't say anything about the quality of our education, the quality of our marriage, the quality of the air we breathe. It says a lot about many things that sometimes are not even to the benefit of the well-being of our citizens. So the fact that we have an important organization such as the United Development Group taking the position today that we should look at other human index numbers such as education and health. Naturally, income would remain important, but cannot be the determining factor. But we'll have to take it somewhat further, because it is beneficial if the United Nations takes this position. But as long as the IMFs of this world and the sovereign ratings of the agencies of this world are still measuring GDP as an important factor, countries depending on loans on the international financial market will be getting negative ratings when they are concentrating on improving the health in the country, the well-being of the citizens, the solidarity among citizens, because these are things that are not being measured, but really are things that are determinant for the quality of life of our citizens. I came back from Samoa for this small island development state convention, and it was very remarkable that you would get to an island, and it's obviously not rich, it's not poor either. Maybe in numbers it does not compete with the world's richest country. But I saw a society where people came together in a way I've never seen before to support a conference and the goals of a conference in an amazing way. We drove around the island and saw how people organized their villages with special constructions where they put a porch outside so they can meet the rest of the village under one common roof. Those things are not measured by the way we are measuring at this moment the social economic development of country, and they should be measured, because that's what makes all the difference in the social cohesion, which is so important. So I'm really happy that the United Nations is taking this position. I hope it will change the position of IMFs of this world and the sovereign rating agencies of this world to also try to measure when countries and governments are really investing in what really makes the well-being of our citizens progress and have a real opportunity to change and for improvement in their lives.